We bought this house 13 years ago with intentions of renovating the home.
I mean, obviously there was some limitations in the design of the home. It was never intended for the use that we made of it. But now that the kids have moved out and it's just the two of us, now it's the time to make it more suitable for us.
I'm looking forward to life being easier and not having restrictions and being able to go anywhere in the house without having to think of the pathway that I have to take or cannot take. And so if that means I need to take the elevator to go downstairs so I can watch a movie with my kids or Graham, I'm really looking forward to that. But I'm also looking forward to making life a little easier for Graham as well, so that it's easier for transfers and for quick showers or being able to be in the kitchen together and preparing meals together. We haven't done that in 15 years because of accessibility. Now I can go from outside of the house all the way through to the ensuite and not have to transfer once or ask for help. Sitting at the lowered counter and just having meals together like we should have been for the last 15 years. I live at the counter. It's one of my favorite spots.
I mean, being downstairs even to enjoy our theater room or something like that in 15 years, we haven't. It would take us multiple transitions and two different wheelchairs and things like this to enjoy our theater room. Whereas now it's drive in and watch. And including Lori now in every area of the home, as well as all the activity in the home, it's like being normal.
It's like being ambulatory, but with wheels.
She can get anywhere now. And so all the secrets are gone.
But the ensuite, that is probably one of the biggest improvements in the home, is so that I can go in and have a quick shower if I want to. Or I can have a nice soak in the tub and be able to face the mirror when I'm washing my hands or doing makeup or anything like that. I haven't been able to do that in this house. I've always had to sit sideways.
We didn't really realize what we were having to go through over those 15 years of struggling in a home that wasn't equipped for Lori or anybody
and for yourself.
Yeah, as they age now, we've answered the where we're going to be in 20 years. We've been amazed at the level of quality that went into the build, the level of care and attention to detail, the team.
The door was always open from the start of the project to today. Everybody was always welcoming us to come into the home, no matter what kind of construction was going on at the house. And I really appreciate that because it allowed me to visualize how things were going and what was changing and will it work for me.
The choice to pick someone to come into your home and tear it all down and put it back together in such a way that you never imagined it could be done is a big decision to make. We took our time. We spoke with experts in the field. Pinnacle and Paul's team came out on top.
It was great to have the advice and feel confident in the team of being able to do what we needed and not make it look medicinal. We didn't want it to look like a hospital. We wanted it to look like a home. And we wanted to make sure that we had all my needs in the home without it being so obvious. And we're putting our spontaneity back into our life, which is what was missing before because we always had to plan so far ahead. We've been putting things on hold because we had no choice, but now we have a choice.
I mean, just to be able to sit at the counter and have a dinner together, we never did that because it was too much trouble to arrange everything.
Well, life has been so much just coping. Right? And not wanting to bother Graham because he's worked a long day. But
it's so much easier now.
It's so much easier to be able to do a quick shower or get out of the house or just go and roam around.
You know, at the end of the day, it's a big decision to do the level of renovation we did. And looking back on it, and would I do it again? Absolutely, I would do it again. You know, going back in time, putting up with what we put up with, I just wish we could have done it sooner. I just wish we could have done this a lot sooner.
But now that it's done,
yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome.